Imagine this. You're in a bustling coffee shop, heart racing as a customer asks, "Can you recommend something sweet?" Your mind blanks. Words jumble, nerves kick in. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a secret weapon to banish that freeze forever? Today I'm unveiling the chunking method, a game changer for speaking English fluently, naturally, and without the mental gymnastics. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the tools to transform your conversations. Let's dive in. First off, meet Jake, one of my students who turned his English nightmare into a triumph. Fresh on the job at a café, Jake faced that dreaded question. "Hi, could you recommend something sweet?" He panicked, piecing together words like, "I recommend, maybe, total freeze-up." That night, he confided in me, frustrated and embarrassed. "Jake," I said, "it's time for chunking." Skeptical at first, he learned simple phrases like, "Let me think," "How about this one?" and "It's really popular." He drilled them relentlessly, while walking, brewing coffee, even drifting off to sleep. The payoff? The very next day, the same customer returned. "Hi, could you recommend something sweet?" Boom. Jake fired back smoothly. "Sure, let me think. How about this one? It's really popular." "Sounds great, I'll take it." "Awesome. Here you go, have a great day." No hesitation, no translation, just effortless flow. That's chunking's magic. Ready-made phrases that build confidence and crush stress. Intrigued yet? Keep reading. It's about to get even better. So what exactly are chunks? Picture them as Lego blocks, pre-built groups of words that snap together seamlessly. Instead of constructing sentences word by word, slow, error-prone, and anxiety-inducing, you grab chunks like, "How's it going?" "I don't think so." "Long time no see," or "No worries." Native speakers don't reinvent the wheel. They use these instinctively. Why does this work? Your brain skips the heavy lifting of grammar and structure, letting you focus on communicating. Result? Faster speech, natural rhythm, and zero pauses that kill confidence. But here's the hook that hooks. Chunking rewires your mind to think in English, ditching translations forever. Ever wonder why natives sound so effortless? They chunk. Listen to podcasts or chats, and you'll spot repeats. "I'm not sure. Let me check." It's up to you. Don't memorize like flashcards. Immerse and repeat. The more you do, the more fluent you become. Try these power chunks. "I'm on my way." "I'm coming." "Let's keep in touch." Stay connected. "That's not the point." Irrelevant. "That makes sense." Logical. Each packs a punch without grammar headaches. Chunking isn't just a trick, it's a mindset shift. Word by word, exhausting brain drain. Chunks, instant upgrades to speed, authenticity, and poise. Practice daily. Spot them in shows, echo them aloud, weave them into talks. A handful each day snowballs into mastery. There you have it, the chunking revolution. You've seen the proof with Jake, grasped the why and how, and got starter phrases. English fluency isn't a distant dream, it's chunks away. Start today. Listen, speak, believe. Your confident voice awaits. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.